Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fix not sending code in Telegram. If you want to know how it's done in this video is for you. In order to successfully do this, you first need to head over to the number that you're actually using is actually viable. So I found the number right here on my Google Chrome and it can help me create an account right here on Telegram. So make sure that the number that you're using is not abused or reaches limit. Next thing you do is to head over and then long press Telegram. Click on this app info right here. And then from here, head over and click on the storage usage. Click on the clear cache as well as the manage space right here in order to delete some data. Once you have done that, you can head over to your Telegram right here and make sure that you have logged in as well. Another thing that you can do is to make sure to head over right here to your messages and make sure that you haven't blocked any unknown images. So for example, for this one, let's head over to this. Let's search right here for messages. So you have in here this allow messages. So make sure that you're not on do not disturb and allow messages from everyone right here. Once you have done that, you should be able to receive the code. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.